Building construction Nigeria. Home construction tips for best results. Building construction is everyone's business in Nigeria because most people prefer to build their home themselves rather than buy. Consequently, virtually everyone has turned expert home builder overnight, even though most know little or nothing about professional home construction. The result: collapsed buildings here and there. In fact, news report of collapsed buildings have become a common tale in Lagos, Nigeria, and indeed, in many parts of Nigeria. The reason is obvious: we have many quacks in the industry posing as home construction experts. They charge high fees, call themselves engineers, and build substandard houses that look good on the outside but are structurally defective. I will tell you this, and please listen carefully. Home building is serious business. As a matter of fact, your investment in home building is about the most capital-intensive investment you will ever make. The good news is that a building is built to outlive its builders. But that will only happen if you build right. Here are a few tips to help you build homes that last. Homes that will bring you fame and honor. Home construction tips. 1. Use professionals. Most people in Lagos, Nigeria don't consult professional builders when contemplating building construction and even throughout the life of the building project. That is risky. For example, in March 2009 a 4-story building collapsed in Idi Araba area of Lagos State, resulting in the death of about 8 occupants. Several other tenants sustained serious injuries. Neighbors reported that the building was initially a bungalow, but that the owner decided to add 3 other floors on top of the bungalow. A professional wouldn't do that without first considering the risks and then mitigating against them. So, while consulting a professional may seem expensive at the start, they save you a whole lot of expense and trouble later. 2. Employ the services of a site engineer. Your home construction design may be flawless, but if the execution does not implement fully the design, the building may still have serious flaws. That is why you need the services of a site engineer. Workmen and mason have been known to steal materials at building construction sites. Instead of using, say, 10 bags of cement for a mixture, they may use 8 bags and steal 2 bags. Each time you come, they will tell you your materials were not sufficient to complete the different segment of the home construction. They not only steal your materials, they risk the life of your home because they fail to implement the right recipe to deliver a long-last building. 3. Build with a long-term view. Build as though your home will last 1,000 years. For that to happen, you shouldn't take shortcuts. They can be very expensive. Spend your construction funds well. Ensure the quality is right. Do it right the first time and enjoy your home for centuries. You and generations yet unborn. For land topology, erosion, and cost-effectiveness. How is the topology of the land you are building on? Be mindful of erosion and build accordingly. Make provision for drainages. Allow for slopes where necessary. If the topology is such that you need to fill a gaping hole, reconsider. Perhaps you don't need to fill that gorge and incur that expense. Perhaps you can take advantage of the topology and have an underground car park or an entire floor below ground level. Perhaps a water reservoir or a drainage system. Think out of the box. We at Efficacy Construction care about you and love to take care of all your stress and challenges with regards to building construction so that you can always have peaceful sleep at nights. Contact us today at phone +234 01 291 3146 +234 906 200 0040. Email info@efficacyconstruction.com for a professional job.